Sita. So this is why I like to give them twigs and branches. I mean, it does encourage nesting behaviour, hormonal behaviour, and all those triggers that could lead to egg binding, aggression, yada yada. And they like to do it. Sita doesn't really do much with her days, so this is one of those rare moments where she's actually playing or doing something and not bothering the others. So there's Scamp. And she was harassing him for a little while. So I'm glad she's found something else to do. Do you want more sticks? Very good. Chuck that in nicely. That's so funny. Sky's up there grooming. I don't know if you can see Ryder. He's working on a nest in his cage back there. Also, foraging is what they spend a lot of time doing. I don't like Sita usually to, or the birds to be on the ground at all. She decided to go down, and I guess there's a lot of... This is just from this morning, you guys, this mess. It is 8 AM. They've been up for, well, they've been out of the cage for an hour. So the floors are already a mess. Scamp's up there foraging on the table. Yeah. It's always good to give them foraging ideas. Okay, so Scamp is a bit freaked out about what he saw outside. Yeah. Looking out the window, and he doesn't want to step up. He's a bit freaked out. Do you want to... Oh, well, I wanted to show them a different video, but that's okay. Do you want to just go sit over here for a while? Hey? Do you feel safe? Okay, okay. Yeah. See, Dad's outside. And it's freaking him out. Are you okay? Yes. He jumped. Yeah, I was vacuuming. He jumped. So he got a bit banged up, but he's just taking it easy for now. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Where's everyone else? So Sita is sitting here watching bird tricks with me. Sky's been in the shower perch all bloody day, talking to herself, so she's come out for some food and relax a little bit now. Yeah. Nice, kiddos. You're so cute and funny. You're so cute and funny. Okay. Alright, Scamp. It's okay. Yeah.